So hey everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my mom's channel. So I hope you're doing absolutely great. So in today's video I'm going to share a very easy tutorial of a brown smoky eye. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So yeah, let's start.
When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John, into that feeling we're just getting started. When the nights get colder and the rhythm starts to falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when we're going, we know how to land. Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. There's always something that's standing in the way, but if you don't let it phase you, you know just how to bridge us with the right vibe, yeah. 'Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah. The wait is over, the time is not, so let's do it right. Yeah, we keep going and stay up until we see the sun rise. And we say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our plans and leave just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause where we're from, we know how to land. Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. Na-na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na-na. We don't need permission to dance. Na-na-na-na-na, hey, na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na. Well, let me show you that we can keep the fire alive. 'Cause it's not over till the summer, say one more time. Say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, nothing that can stop how we move. Hey, let's break our plans and live just like we're golden and crawling like we're dancing fools. Like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, 'cause when we fall, we know how to land. Know how to land. The talk, just walk the walk tonight. 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. Na-na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na. We don't need permission to dance. Na-na-na-na-na, hey, na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na. We don't need permission to dance. Na-na-na-na-na, na-na-na-na-na.
So guys, this is my final look and it looks pretty well. This eye makeup look actually goes with any outfits. If you are wearing any western outfit, Indian outfit, or even Indo-Western outfit, it can go with any outfits with of any color and it would look pretty good, very stunning, and your eyes are gonna look bold. You can go with a red lipstick or any nude lipstick to go with it. So that is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.